Good morning, Trout Wildcats. I feel like I am a 5-year-old on Christmas morning. I am so excited to be a part of my first showcase at Trout Elementary. You guys, I am bonkers. I can't tell you, I could hardly sleep last night. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we have a couple of other cool things coming up. The One Book, One District is starting November 1, so be looking for those books. Bingo night and silent auction. That's going to be started, what is that, November 10th? Is it November 10th? The prizes will blow your minds. They are so awesome. We had a very successful book fair. Very successful. Our Trout card sales were through the roof. We have only one teacher left to finish her, wait, no, we have two teachers. One is missing one conference and another one's missing two. So we are almost at 100%. Amazing, amazing. So at this point, I'm going to turn the assembly over to Miss Bailey's class. Should I give it? Oh, here we go.
Good morning, Trout Wildcats. My name is Axon. Please join us in the salute to the American flag. Attention, salute. I pledge of allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Good morning, my name is Carly. Please join us in the salute to the Oklahoma flag salute. Ready, salute. Flag of the state of Oklahoma, its symbols of peace and all people. Good morning, my name is Caitlin. Please join us in the Trout School Creed. Say it with pride because we are proud to be Trout Wildcats. Who are we? We are Trout Wildcats! Who are we? We are What do? We always take pride, we always show compassion, we always do our best. We are a team, we are winners, we are Trout Wildcats.
Good morning, my name is Mila. Please respect those around you and join us in a moment of silence. This is your time to reflect, pray, or simply be silent. Ready? Begin. Thank you.
We have learned about the power of yet and having a growth mindset. Yet is just a 3-letter word, but it holds a lot of meaning. For example, I can say, I don't know my multiplication facts. But if I add yet to the end, I don't know my multiplication facts yet, it turns the statement into a way for me to stay positive. Learn from my mistakes and have a growth mindset. We want to share with you the power of yet ABCs. A is for ability. You have the ability to do great things with the growth mindset.
B is for brain. Your brain is like a muscle. It gets stronger and stronger as you learn more. C is for challenges. You can take on tough challenges as an opportunity to grow.
D is for determined. When you are determined, you are committed to accomplishing something even if it's difficult.
E is for effort. Effort and practice help you learn and grow. F is for feedback. Feedback from other people gives you valuable information about how you can learn and improve any more. G is for growth spurt. When you make a mistake, you can think of it as a growth spurt that helps you learn. H is for help. Asking for help when you need it is a strong and positive choice to make. I is for imagination. You can use your imagination to help develop your growth mindset.
J is for journey. Learning something new takes you on a journey. It's rare to master a task or skill the first time you try it. K is for knowledge. You gain knowledge by practicing until you get better. L is for learn. Your brain has the ability to keep learning your whole life.
M is for mindset. Mindset is your attitude or your set beliefs.
N is for notice. When you're striving for your goals, notice what works well and what not works so well.
O for optimism. Optimism tries to see good in every situation.
P is for progress, not perfection. Is a goal you can achieve every day.
Q is for questions. You learn by asking questions and seeking answers.
R is for resilient. You are resilient when you bounce back from setbacks and obstacles.
S is for setting goals. Setting goals is the first step to accomplishing them.
T is for trying. Trying hard means using different strategies, seeking support, and persevering until you succeed.
U is for until. You may have to keep working hard at something until you figure it out.
V is for visualize. Visualize what it will be to meet your goals.
W is for work. You can't always get what you wish for, but you could often get what you work for.
X is for extra. Sometimes it takes extra time and effort to accomplish something. Y is for yet. If you feel there is something you can't do, remember the word yet.
Z is for Zan. Diaz can learn to amazing possibilities.
You guys are rock stars. I love you. Thank you so much. Miss Bailey, what are your plans for these beautiful posters that they've made, these little... I think we need a place in the hall because they are so amazing and they make me happy. Alrighty, guys, let's give them one more big round of applause. Woo! Awesome. Alrighty. We want you guys to know that we love you, we're proud of you. I hope everyone has an amazing rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday morning. You are dismissed. Woo-hoo.